Hi, we're back with another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk to you about Safeco's Tough Truck platform trucks. The Tough Truck small platform truck is my go-to around the office because it easily adapts to any job at hand. The solid steel frame with anti-skid mat ensures my supplies stay securely in place, and the folding handle is great for easy storage. Use it to move boxes of literature or supplies easily to the mailroom, break room, or supply rooms. I use it to move trade show equipment with ease as it can handle up to 400 to 500 pounds depending on the models. If it needs to be moved, the hand truck will get it from point A to point B, fast and easy, no hassle. This has been another Me Moment. Please join us again to find out how Safeco can help you work hard and play harder.